Hello everyone, welcome to the Business Pre-Intermediate. Today we are learning Unit 1, Living Abroad, and we will focus on reading. Before we start the lesson, I'd like to ask you some questions. Now let's look at the pictures and tell me which countries do these people come from. Now let's see. This is the first picture, and you see the activity in the picture is bullfighting, and Spain is famous for this activity. The second one, you see that these beautiful girls come from a South American country. That's right, it's in Brazil. And the last one, I'm sure you know where these people come from. That's right, they come from South Korea. So, you see that each country has its own culture. Knowing it is essential to your success abroad, and that's why we are learning this lesson. The aim of Unit 1 is to raise cultural awareness. And the second one, it will develop your intercultural competence. At the end of the lesson, you will have the knowledge about other cultures. Second, you will have ability to understand the feelings and needs of other people. And finally, you will become more confident. You are able to express your viewpoints in a clear way. That is the aim of Unit 1. How about this model 1.1? It will focus on living and working abroad. Also, it will improve your reading skill by an article of working abroad experience. And finally, it will improve your listening skill by a recording about 4 people talking about their experience of working intensive period abroad. There are 5 parts in this lesson. The first one is reading. The second one, vocabulary presentation. The third, before reading. The fourth, while reading. And finally, that's it, after reading. Now, let's start the lesson with the first picture. Tell me, what is it? That's right, it's a chameleon. Now, the second one, what is special about this? You are right again. It can change itself to adapt to the environment. So like a cultural chameleon, if you want to be successful, you have to adapt yourself to the culture of that country. To help you to do the reading task more easily, I'd like to teach you some new words. Now let's listen and repeat. Comparative, relocate, candidate, straightforward, CV, adapt, shortlist, relevant, analyst, respect, mirror, appearance, application, job market, graduate. It's a noun, so it's a graduate, not graduate, co-worker, work culture, and finally, degree subject. Let's start with the first word, compete. Compete means try to be better than someone else. Now let's look at the picture, and you see that this is Holland, and this is the final match of the World Cup. In the final match, Spain competed with Holland to win the World Cup. Adjective is comparative. It has 2 nouns. The first one is competitor. I'll say again, competitor. The second one is competition. I say again, competition. The second one is relocate. Relocate means to move or move somebody or something to a new place to work. And for example, many people relocate to Ho Chi Minh City to find jobs. Now is relocation. I say again, relocation. Now let's look at the picture. You see that there are 2 men in the pictures. Let's tell me, who are they? The man on the left. That's right, he's John McCain. How about the man on the right? I'm sure you know the answer. That's right, it's Barack Obama. Few years ago, they were the president candidates for the election. And then finally, Barack Obama won it. That's why he is the president now. So, candidate means a person who tries to be elected or applies for a job.